Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a real quick little video on this banana. A viewer, subscriber, and I know this, you get so accustomed to doing it some other ways, is that I always use this. I've already traced the banana. We got a smart fill, and then we can left click, right click, and then we have to break the curve apart. And he is exactly right. It would be a lot better to do it this way without drawing a box around it. It's the shape of a banana. Just take it and use the boundary tool. The boundary tool put a boundary around the banana. A lot quicker, it's the same, the same, but it's eliminated a few steps. And like, I don't know if I said in that other video, you could clean these boundaries up just a little bit. And what's gonna happen is that when you take it over to your real banana, and use intersect tool, it's gonna be a lot cleaner looking item. If you look on mine from yesterday, I've got these jagged edges on the banana. Well, on the new one, I don't. It's because the boundary tool took away. You could take away quite a bit of the banana, and who's to know? If you just smooth it up a little bit, make it a little bit better graphic. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for reminding me of that. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.